At EDA Technologies, I would like to say we eat, we drink, we sleep PCBs. As EDA, we pride ourselves on concept to complete solutions. So we can help you from just the thought in your mind to a finished sellable product.
The EDA philosophy of training and educating their users and their friends really paid off in the sense that it is a small community where everybody knows everybody, and when you team up with the right people, you can solve a lot of problems.
Ultima is really focusing on integrating a development environment for electronic engineers. They're not only focusing on schematic and PCB design, they try and make the design work for the engineer easier and quicker.
My take on Ultima Design is the fact that it's a unified platform. Everything's in one place. It's very intuitive on how to move things between schematic PCB. It makes it a very easy to use tool, and our customers have had the same opinion of it. It's a really great tool to use.
Well, over the years at EDA, I've met hundreds and hundreds of people who've attended our training and seminars, and it's really rewarding to see how they benefit from all our courses that we offer.
And we've been fortunate over the years to assemble a very competent group of engineers who can really discern the customer's needs and translate those needs into workable and sellable products that are winners on the world's scene. Electronics has really changed over the last 20 years. Disruptive technologies is a term that's very loosely used these days to describe the effect that things such as Uber has had on the industry and the world per se. But disruptive electronics has actually been around for a long time. Much like other things that's been very disruptive, such as gunpowder, which has really forced change, motor vehicles, which is propel change, and the personal computer, which is really enable change.
Completely. Look, when I started laying out boards in 1974, you can't compare even 20 years ago to today. You can't even begin to compare. It's very different.
I've been in this industry about 30 years at least. I've seen major changes, starting with when you first did PC board design, it was with lightbox and tape, and then it moved on to other non-intelligent, shall I say, type computer-based layout packages.
In the past, it was maybe a piece of art to just design a PC board. Nowadays, it's a piece of science.
Today, it is the most important, most expensive component in every system, and it can make or break any design. It is the key component today.
Today, a printed circuit board is a key component or a fundamental component of any electronic system. A large percentage of the cost of a vehicle today is attributed to the cost of the PC boards and electronics in vehicles. So PC boards are here to stay for quite a long time.
Well, at EDA Technologies, we are a globally certified Ultima training center, and my role is to coordinate all these training courses and seminars that we offer through the year.
Huge. The number of guys that have gone through your system has made a massive difference, because now the quality of PCB layout work is way better than it used to be.
I've been working professionally with EDA since really its inception in 1997. And really due to its close links with PCB manufacturers, even just good technical advice on PCB design and the limitations of PCB manufacturers thereafter.
We've really enabled many hundreds of engineers in this country to become more efficient in what they do. So all of this has enabled our local industry to really improve in what they do so that we as a country can be more competitive on the global scene.
When I go home at the end of the day and I know that I've helped a customer get his product out the door as fast as possible, it's a good feeling. It's very fulfilling.
Well, from all the responses that we do receive, people are very impressed by the courses that we offer, and they are often eager to attend all the next courses that we have following.
Somebody's struggling with it, and then you get that light bulb moment where the person goes, aha, and you know the point's gone across and they understand exactly and they know how to do it. I like helping people to enable them to do better, go quicker, achieve what they want to achieve in a better way.
We are ideally poised because we can virtually attack their problems on all fronts.
Our close relationship with PCB manufacturers such as NCAB Group has really helped us to understand the PCB a lot better. And this knowledge of PC boards and the whole manufacturing process really enables us to offer the best advice to our customers. And we are very proud to be associated with a company that's so innovative and that is providing tools that can help us to design futuristic products that will change the way we do things.
I think the one that stands out most is the trip to Germany, to Bitburg, where we attended Lee Ritchie's high-speed training seminar. There's a lot of...
I've been involved in the electronic industry for more than 35 years. And the biggest part of it was in PC board design. We take care of our customers. Our customers' opinions are important to us. Our customers' problem is important to us, and more so to try and solve that problem with them. I'm a firm believer in quality is designed in upfront in the design. It is not something that's added to a PC board afterwards.
Detail. I get lost in detail and I want to do everything perfectly.
The EDA certificate is quite sought after and it really puts a smile on their faces, but knowing that you are empowering someone to do their job better is of great benefit to us.
One of the most fulfilling things I've found as working in tech support is the positive feedback that we get from clients when we help them in a timeless fashion.
I started doing research and development 15 years ago, and from the get-go EDA have been part of our team. Partnering with a company in a big project like we've been busy with, having a company like EDA on board means that they become an extension of our team. Having a team that is aligned to what the company's interest is means that we'll end up having a much better outcome of a product from an investment perspective and from a design perspective, and they played a very good role in that. I would quite easily recommend EDA to other companies based on their track record, the type of team that Neshan is putting together, and where he wants to take the company.
I wouldn't hesitate to recommend EDA to anyone, and as long as EDA continue to provide a quality product and service, then their reputation will continue to grow in the marketplace.
Yes, most definitely. It's the way you're running your system now, the EDA systems now, it's perfect. It's that ways they very easy to get on with, and they're only too willing to help out, which is fantastic. But no, it's always been good.
have an exciting lineup of new courses which are coming up through the year, and we know that this will really benefit the industry in South Africa.
At the moment, I'm working on a power supply that's highly configurable for an autonomous vehicle.
We've often been called upon to be speakers at some high-tech events around the world. And more recently, I've been selected to be a technical program committee member for DesignCon USA, one of the largest forums for engineers and PCB designers around the world. There are many groundbreaking products that are going to take over the world. We talk of augmented reality, the Internet of Things. We talk about driverless vehicles. We talk about robotics, drones, and EDA is ready. EDA is ready to assist any company to turn those ideas into reality. We've got the tools, we've got the skills, we've got the staff, we've got the passion, and we're ready. We've got the track record of building successful products. So we really look forward to many years to come where we can deliver winning products to South African companies and global companies for that sake.